Hello, Judy here from Thistledew Creations with a Dollarama haul for you today. Mostly Valentine's stuff. I got a package of their designer paper which has foil, and there's 20 sheets. I think there's 2 of each. Yeah, 2 of each, so we only have 10 to flip through. So Paris in Love, hearts, gold foil on some of them. Kind of a burgundy background, like a graffiti kind of one. Charcoal gray with gold hearts, X's and O's. Well, this one's pretty with the blue hearts, and elephants with hearts, hearts and keys, and of course some gnomes. They're cute, and I like this one, the red foil on black. That's really nice. And then we're back to the beginning. So that was a good package for $4.25 for 20 sheets. And I don't have a lot of Valentine's papers, so I picked that up. Now I always get this glue there, so I picked up 4 of them. They're $2.50 there. And I do find it works quite well for me. They were just putting out, they have like maybe a 30-foot long aisle at my store, and they only had a couple of the sections started. So I'm going to be doing another Valentine's haul for sure. I just grabbed what I saw from the stuff they had out already. So they had some napkins. I thought these were beautiful, really cute. I can use those all year, but especially at Valentine's. And you get 20 13 by 13 napkins, 2-ply for $2. And then I got these ones last year, but I grabbed another package of them. So they're 24 10 by 10s for $1.50. I just love the Conversation Heart book. And then I picked up some press and seal, which is something you can use with your die cutting machine. And I haven't been able to find it in the grocery stores. So I was kind of surprised to see it there at the Dollarama, so I grabbed it. And some fuzzy pink hearts. These are kind of, it says padded. I think they're like velour. They didn't have red or white ones out yet, but like I say, they were still setting up. So they're 3-dimensional both ways, like both sides are puffy. And they're fuzzy, so like a velour or something like that, microfiber of some sort. So those are cute. And then some wooden hearts. These are like ornaments. So there's 50 pieces for $4, and they're meant to be painted, but they come with the jute to hang them, which is also good for doing tag toppers. And I like the fact that they are like an asymmetrical, whimsical heart, not just the straight on. Oh, there is some straight on ones. Ones on the end showed this shape. Let's see how many different ones there are then. What does the package say? It just shows the one style on the package. Let's just see. So we have a bunch of these and a bunch of these. It's strange that the package only shows this on the label. That's why I bought it. I don't really care for that heart as much, but I could do conversation hearts with it. But yeah, the package label just shows that style. It's okay, I'll probably never use them all anyway. I have so many wooden parts and I always forget about them, but they're good for doing fun painting projects with. In the summertime, I do that a lot more than in the winter. Out on the porch, painting things to pass the time on a Sunday or something, or on a rainy day. And then a pack of 6 Valentine cards for $1.75. These come with the envelopes, and I kind of bought them. They're very plain. I guess they're meant for you to decorate how you want, but I like the scallop edge. Not crazy about that color of red. There's 2 of that kind of terracotta red, 2 bright pink and 2 light pink. So maybe could use that in the fall more so than for Valentine's, but they come with brown envelopes. Oh, and the envelopes have a little heart on them. If you can see that. It has a heart cut out on the front. It doesn't have like a plastic window, just a cutout. Well, that's kind of cute. So I just picked up 1 package of those. And now that I know they have heart cutouts, I might pick up another pack. And then loot bags, you get 12 for $2.50. And they're all the same XOXO pattern on black and white on red. And then you get the mini clothespins and the heart that you clip on to close it. So a lot of different components that I can reuse. I probably won't use them together as they're intended at all. Heart-shaped stickers, and these are like 3D, like almost full rhinestones. So I thought those were cute. I've got lots of these kinds of things in circles, but not a lot of hearts. So I grabbed those. And then I got 4 packages of these Bumblebee zippered treat bags. 30 pieces for $1.25. These are a favorite for myself and my family. Like my sister, my aunts, my cousins, we all like bees. So I will use these all year round. I figured 4 packages of them, that's $5 worth. That gives me 120 of them, so that'll last me quite a while. But I can put all kinds of goodies in these for my family and friends. And they're a nice snack size, or a good size also for some craft supplies to be sent. We're doing kind of, Barnhouse is my mom's maiden name, so we do, we're doing long distance swaps with my cousins in West Virginia. Cousins and aunts. And West Virginia, Georgia, Ohio. Sending them stuff and them sending us stuff because we haven't been able to get down there since the pandemic. It might be a while longer till we go. So we've decided to do the long distance thing, even though the shipping costs, we're generally sending things that don't cost a lot of money. It's just for fun. So I'm not too worried about spending, you know, even if it's $30 to send someone a box full of goodies. It's a great way to stay in touch, and we send each other fun things and some family heirloom things. I've got a couple of videos of where I sent my Aunt Icy some things, and she sent me some things back. So if you're interested in that kind of exchange videos, check them out. If you like this, oh, and then there was 2 other Valentine's things that I picked up, which was sour gummy hearts and marshmallows for my coffee and hot chocolate bar. So if you like this kind of video where you're seeing what's available at the Dollarama these days, do check out my Dollarama hauls on YouTube. And if you're involved in a swap with me, do check those videos out because they can give you an idea of what I have that you can specifically then ask for something like, say you really liked the napkins, you could say, oh, I'd really love to have a few of those napkins, and I would send them to you. So anyway, thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, but most of all, have a great day.